Hey guys, welcome to the Kotlin coding program for interview. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel. In this video, we are going to learn this mini coding program. It will be helpful for the cracking the exam. So let's start one by one. So first question is swap two number without using temporary variable. So I need to go to here. I'm going to create one new package. Here new package, the interview program. Oh, that is already existing. So interview coding. Okay, interview coding. I'm going to create one file that will be swap number, and here I'm going to create main, and then I'm going to take two variable. First variable a is equal to 10 and variable b is equal to 20. So the question is, currently variable a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. Once output comes, a should be 20 and b should be 10. It should reverse the value. Whatever value a having, the same value should be a b, and whatever value b having, same value should goes to a. So let's start how to do the sub. First I'm printing one message before swap. Now let me print these values. So a is 10, b is 20. Okay. Now let me write the logic here. The logic is a is equal to a minus b. Okay. So here I am writing in comment a is equal to 10 minus 20. So is equal to minus 10. Right now current a value is minus 10. B is equal to a plus b. And here if b is equal to a value is minus 10 and b value is plus 20. So it will be 10. So right now v value is a 10, then a is equal to b minus a. Okay, b minus a. So here now a is equal to b value is a 10 and a value is minus 10. So minus it will be a plus 10. So is equal to 20. So you can see that b value is currently 10 and a value is a 20. Just got reverse. Okay. So let me print this value here after swap. See, here value of a is equal to 10 and here value of a is equal to 20. Just got reverse. I hope you understood this concept. And second program is check whether number is even or odd. Okay, let me create another file, even odd. and then creating main function. Here, well, I am taking input from the user scanner inside system dot in. Here printing one message, enter number. Then this value I need to take, so for that, well, num is equal to input dot next int, then print. I got the number. Now I'm using here if condition, the number percentage to equal to 0, then it will be print then the number is even number, else the number is odd number. Okay, so let me run this program. Here asking me to enter some number, so I'm entering 5. 5 is the number 5 is odd number. So let me run again and we'll check another. I'm entering 50. So 50 is the even number. Then entering 47. 47 is a odd number. So I hope you understood the concept. Here, whatever number is divided and the remainder will be a 0. Okay, so this number will be the even, else number will be the odd. And then third program is check whether an alphabet is a vowel, consonant or consonant. So for that, what we can do, here also in same program we can do it, but I am creating another program. So here using main function, and here I am taking one char well cs equal to a, and here I am just using the conditions is equal to if ch equal to a or cs equal to a e or cs equal to I or cs o or cs equal to a e I o q, then it has to print the vowel. So here we print vowel, else and now I can print the print v. Okay, so but the thing is here A is a capital and these are the smaller letters. So what we can do it here, same thing we can just copy here and paste it. Right, whatever we have written in small letter, all those things should be capital also, so that it can easily observe that is capital or small. Now let me run. A is a vowel. A is a vowel. If I am writing P, P must not be a vowel. The consonant. So like that we can do. We can print. Then find the sum of natural number. So find the sum of natural number. For that, what we can do? Natural number is like 1 to 100. So we need to use some logic, like what we can do, we can use for loop here. So for that I need to create another program. The name will be natural number file creating, and here main function. In that I am taking one variable, the sum is equal to 0, and then I am printing for loop in. So for it will goes to 1 to 100. Okay, inside now I am going to sum plus equal to I. Okay, I think here it needs space. Okay, val cannot be changed. Where? Now I am going to print the sum. Sum of sum. Okay, now let me run this. See, the sum of natural number is this much. If I am going to write up to 5, I am going to add, then it will be a 15. So how the logic is going behind this? First sum is equal to 0. So when first time loop will go, loop is starting from 1. So it will add 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Then second time the sum value is 1. Then plus 2. Loop will be a 2 this time. Then output will be a 3. Then 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Then 6 plus 4 time equal to 10. Fifth time 10, sum is equal to 10, and the loop will be a 5, so it will be a 15. So like that it's printing 1 2 3 4 5 is a loop, and these are the sum value. Okay, like that it's printing. Then next program is find the factorial. So factorial means you need to do the factor of the integer. Okay, let me create another program. That will be the file. Here again I am taking main function, and if I am going to create one number, first I am taking one variable. The variable factorial, this will be the long equal to 1. Okay, now I'm going to use for loop I 1 to 5. Here factorial is equal to fact. Here program we was adding, here we are multiplying from I. So it's where I need to take it, dot too long. Okay, now if I am going to print here, the factorial of 5 is 120. So how it is multiplying, let me tell you. First time it is 1, so 1 into 1, 1 in 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Now 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Now 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Here 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Now 12 into 4 is equal to 48. Then 48 into 5 is equal to 120. So like that is doing the factorial. Okay, and next, now you can check this program. The same like we have done the natural number adding, sum of natural number, same thing we can do it here by the multiplication. So I think next is a table, for generate the multiplication table. So for table also same, the concept is there. What we can do it here, I can create here table, and for table what we can do it, here also I am going to if you are not taking number, then also it's fine. Here need to just take one for loop. The for loop will be starting from 1 to 10, and here you just yes, I need to take here where value is equal to 1. Okay. So here I can do the print ln value into 2. So it will print the 2 table. 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, not printing. It's printing 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So better what I can do it here. Okay, I'll create it is in here only. Here I am going to value is equal to I. Okay. I did mistake here. Here I need to use I into 2. Here I into 2. Now I'll print the value. So it will print the table. See, 2, 4, 6, 8. If you wanted to print the third table, you can print it here. If you want the 9th table, then it will also print here. 56, 19. If I wanted to 10, that will also print 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 100. See, like that we can generate the table. And next is find the Fibonacci series and then print A to Z, print factorial of number. So factorial we have already done, I guess. Yeah, reverse the sentence. So creating the Fibonacci, I am creating another file. And here man, in that I am going to take val and is equal to 10, and where t1 is equal to 0, where t2 is equal to 1. Now printing first and then using here for loop I in 1 to n number of print $t1 now here doing the logic thing, sum is equal to t1 plus t2. Okay, here t1 is equal to t2, then t2 is equal to sum, and then let me run. So the output is this. In Fibonacci, how, let me, okay, and then man Fibonacci, I think you understood the logic, is adding 0 plus 1 1. Okay, then 1 plus 1 2, then 1 plus 2 3, then 3 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 5 8, 8 5 plus 8 13, then 8 plus 13 21, 13 plus 21 is equal to 34. So 34 is the output for in this Fibonacci series. If I am going to reduce this up to 5, then up to 5 here, then output will be difference. See, 1 2 3 4 5. So like that we can do the Fibonacci's. Then print A to Z alphabet. How to print A to Z alphabet? A to. So for that, creating main function and taking and where character is equal to char and cs is equal to first assigning value is a, then I'm using while loop. The while loop ch greater than is equal to z till that it should print and plus plus ch, and here I am going to print the ln dollar of ch. Let me run. See, ABCD till Z, it printed. So the logic is here. First I have taken one char variable, and in the assign I have assigned a value, and here while loop I checked one condition. The condition is it should be equal to Z, then it should stop printing. So here while it's coming here checking B is false, so again it's check C D E F till Z. When it's become Z, so it's true and the condition got false, and stop and printed all the value here. Okay, then this already done. Reverse the sentence. For that also we are going to create one program, another file. creating here one sentence. Here one variable. Before that I am going to create one function. Here the function will be function reverse, and then yes, it should be a string. Okay, if here it is returning a string. So here checking one condition dot is empty, return s, else return reb s dot substring 1 plus s 0, and then here I am going to print this function, calling this function fun equal to rev. In that I am sending this sentence, then print ln fun. Okay, so here how we are doing in this Kotlin, the logic is here I have taken one string and this string I wanted to print in reverse mode, like REDOC. For coder it should be a reverse. For that I have created one function. In the function I have taken one parameter, that is a string. So this string I am sending here, and it's returning string. Return type I have taken a string. So I have checked if it is empty, then directly it should send empty. If it is not empty, then this should be a return. Here same function I have taken. This function itself, substring and index should be 1, start should be 1. Okay, and here the string array is considering as an array, and it should be the last, the first position, 0, index will be 1. So this is a 0 and this is a 1. So let's check the output. See, it's just reverted. Now find the sum and average of the array. So again I am going to create another program. Taking main function and taking one array. Int array of taking 10, 20, 30, 50. Okay, then taking here where sum is equal to 0. Then for adding number, we know we have to use for loop. So for that I am using I in array, then here sum plus equal to I. Okay, now for average, what here I can take here where average is equal to sum divided by array dot size and print the sum is the sum of is dollar sum and average is dollar abc. Okay, sum is 110, so you can add like this will be 50, 30 on this 100, 110. So sum will be the 110, and the size is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. Size is 4. So 110 divided by 4, it will be 27, because if it is 100 then 25, so it is 110, so it's 27. So we understood how to find the average, and in general life also we have to sum divided by how much is a quantity. So this is a total number of items and this is a sum, so it's divided by, we got the average. And another program is find the largest item in the array. So for that, creating array is equal to int array of 58, 7, 66, 88, 99, 55. Okay, only this much. And here I am taking where large array is equal to this array. Here I'm putting the size 0. Okay, and then going to use for loop. In the for loop, I in array. Here I am just comparing if large is less than I, then large is equal to I. Okay, and here I am going to print this large. So here I have taken one variable. The shine value is 0. There is no value. Will be a okay. So okay, yes. So its first value is taking a 0, and with this it's as comparing from here it's not equal, then it's comparing from this not equal, comparing from this. So which one will be the higher, it will print. So 999 is largest. How it printed? Because here first initial value I have taken 50, Okay, 50 comparing with 8. Okay, and then it's comparing with 7. Here comparison happening. See, instead of the character here, suppose namaste code is there and you need to find the how many times n is there, m is there, so that so here I am taking one string str equal to here e is 2 times, a is 2 times, other things are single. So val cs equal to I need to find the e, and where frequency, it will be the number of size equal to 0 initially, and then I am going to use for loop. The for loop from I in 0 to str dot length -1. If ch equal to str I, then number of size and here we can get the size. So here it will say how many times that this e is present in the namaste coder. Two times. So let me copy some string. This string I am copied, pasting here. Now it will tell how many strings are e's are present. 10 is present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 string is present. If I wanted to print C is too much, so let me print C. C is 5. Okay. Then next program is count the vowel, digit, space and consonant. then else if. Now we are checking to the ch in, because we are checking that it is a digit or it is a ch in dot to z. Now this will be the constant plus const, then else if ch in 0 to 9, this will be the digit, so plus digit, else if cs content is equal to empty space, then this will be the spaces, plus. Here I can add some digit also. So I have added 6 digit. Now let me print below here. Print ln. First tree is our vowels. So vowels dollar vowels, control D here const, then digit, then spaces. So we can see the output here. 6 digit is 3, so 6, space is 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and consonant is 12, vowel is 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and number 8. Total 8 vowels, 12 consonant, 6 digit and 7 spaces. So you can check, only I have used if else conditions. So here inside, if I am using the A to Z and 0 to 9, if it is there, then it will be a digit. Then next program is remove all spaces from the string. So let me create another program. Only what we can do here, I am taking one sentence that will be the learn program. So here this space is there, this, so I need to remove this. So here one more, first I am doing the print ln here before remove. Okay, then here I am doing sentence also same. Sentence dot replace the place. This is Kotlin keyword. Here slash forward s to regress comma empty. So what it will do, suppose there will be a space, it will replace with nothing. Okay, so like that it will do. I need to copy this, I'll paste it here, and then after, let me run this. Look at here. Before remove, after remove is this, and before remove this. Check next program, search item in a array. So there will be some list of array. In that items, I need to find some particular item. So how to do that? We are going to create another program. That find array item. So I'm taking one array is equal to int array of 8, 9, 6, 4, 2, 7. Okay, and now I'm going to find the find value will be, I'm going to find the 33. Okay, where found is equal to false. I'm taking here one boolean, the value is false starting, then using for loop and if I is equal to find, then found is equal to true, and the condition will be break. And now here using one check the found, if it will be the found, then println the array item find is found, else else same here, not found. Let me run this. So 33 is present there, so it is saying is found. If I am going to find the 3 is not present, 2 is present, so it should be not found. 3 is not found. Okay, like that you can find the item inside the array. And then in the next program we are going to check string is empty or not. That also we are going to create another file. Check string. Here taking one string str1, that will be the string type class. Okay. Here using null. If I won't use the question mark, it will show the error. So null level. Then here str2 is equal to nothing, empty. Okay, now if using if condition, so here I am going to create one function. The function name will be is null or empty. String, and it will return string. Okay, then here I am making one condition. If s not equal to null and not s dot is empty, then it will return false, else return true. Okay, here I need to run, sorry I forgot, because boolean, and this method I am using here is empty or null and passing that str1. I'm printing here else here printing null or empty. Okay, and same else not null, not empty. And for string 2 also one line I am making. Same thing I'll copy here and paste. I need to change only string 2. Okay, so here I have created one method, that method created by me, not created by the this editor. So here I'm taking this string and here I'm checking if string is null or string is empty. This is the default library, some keyword function is there. Okay, if it is not null and not empty, so it's returning a false. So false means it will not come inside, it will come in else case. If it is null or empty, then it will return true and it will comes in this function will get true and it will comes here. So in this case string is null, so null means it will come here for it will comes true because here not null used, so it will come here true. Then if this function will be, if will be get true and this will be getting print here. In same thing here also it will get true. Let's just check. So null or empty, null or empty. If I am going to write here hi and here also, okay, this time it will be else case printing because it has written this false. And next program is to compare two strings. So for that I am going to create here compare two strings. Here I am taking here one string s equal to and now I am just matching both the string. If s equal to s2, then print equal, else println not equal. Okay, so it is printing equal. Let me make it this small letter, everything is in small letter, and then we'll check. It's not equal. So in this scenario what we can do, strings are same, only the letter is, this is small and this n is small and this n is capital. So for that I need to are same, only the letter is small and capital. So for that s dot equals s2 comma ignore case true. Now it will work fine. See, it's coming equal. Even I'll do everything in capital still. If I'll make it false, then will be not true. It will return this. Now we are going to create another program. Okay, another file, and in that program we are going to add two array. Okay, combining two array list. So adding array list. here I am going to create a list 1 equal to array list. The type is string. Okay, and then here I am adding a list dot add a, then a list 1 dot add b, list 1 dot add c, and I am going to println, and the list 1 data is a list. Okay, now I'm going to create another list. Well, v list 2 equal to array list this type is also a string, and b dot add e, b e, here I need to write d. Okay, then you can okay, now I'm going to create one empty string that will be the add both array list, and this will be the array list type of a string, and here add both list dot add all, in that adding a list 1, and second one I'm adding b list 2, and I'm going to print here printing list 2 data is b, then here the list adding data is add both list. Now so here I have created one list, in that some value I have added and I am printing. Then second array list again I have created and added some value. Now one empty, there is no value in this list, and adding both two lists, so it will be print in one list. See, this one was the first array, this was the second array, and this got added. So total item 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So adding list got printed. Like that we can add array list in Kotlin. In this again we are going to create another program. In this program we are generating OTP, 4-digit OTP. So man, so here I am going to generate 4-digit of OTP. So how can we do that? For that, what I am going to do, first I am going to create one function. Okay, I am going to create here function. The function will be OTP generating 4. Okay, so and this function will be going to return string. Now I'm creating one where in equal to, here creating math function, math.random. This is the library function, and multiplying with 9000 dot to int plus 1000 and then I'm returning pin dot to string. Okay, so with this method we are going to generate the pin. So what I am going to do it, this method I am going to calling to main function. So where OTP is equal to, calling this method generate OTP and println the is $symbol OTP. See, the OTP got created here 2477, and again if I am running it will create different. So again I am running, it will create different. So it's random numbers generating. So like this you can generate the OTP. You just run, because here I have used math.random. So it automatically, it will always get change the data. It won't be, never it will be the same. So see, I am running, is generating different OTP. So this is the logic to generate the OTP. So one more program we are going to create here. That will be the how to check the palindrome or not. Palindrome. So for that I'm going to create main function. Below the main function I am going to create one function that will be is palindrome string. So yes, dot string, it will be written the boolean. Okay, now here using val, here choosing the string builder, string builder, that enter that string and val. So reversing that string with the string builder, reverse dot to string and return s dot equals reverse string comma equal ignore case true. So what it will do, if I am entering one string, so it with the help of a string builder, it will reverse that string, and here it will compare both string, this string. So this string will compare with this string, reverse one. If it is getting true, matching both string, then it will be the palindrome, else it won't. And same thing I am going to do it here. I'm going to take the input from the user, input scanner system.in. So print enter a string. So user will enter then a string. I got that as my string skull to input dot next line, and now I got the string. Now here I am going to use if condition. If this function I am going to call is palindrome, my string is true, then print the string is palindrome, else the string is not a palindrome. Okay, let me check. Here entering 1 to 1, it is a palindrome, because if you are going to reverse, it will be, if I am writing 1 to 2. Okay, let me run again, writing, this is not a palindrome. Then again I am running, if you are writing some name, this is not a palindrome. This is a palindrome. So with this logic we can do this. Now we are going to create another class, and in that we are going to make the pyramid. Main function. So while we are going to create any pyramid, triangle, rectangle, whatever, so in that only row and column is too much important, because without row and without column we cannot do anything. So most of time you need to focus on row and column in that for loop. So I am going to take rows equal to 5. Okay, now I am going to use for loop that I in, so it will start row from 1 to how many size is there. Then inside one more loop is there that I am using k in 1. It will start up to I, it will run up to I, and here I am going to print the star or hash, whatever, and giving one space here. Okay, and let me run first and check what output is coming. So these are the coming in single lines, because I have not used the ln, so everything is comes in same line. So let me do that logic. So for that, after this for loop is getting close, here I need to use println. Nothing, only println, just do it println. So it created one triangle pyramid. So in first row, this one is calling rows. Okay, so I have entered here 5 rows. So 1 2 3 4 5, 5 rows is there, and these are the column 1 2 3 4 5. So top to bottom is a column and left to right is a row. Okay, so how these things are getting print, let me tell you the logic behind this. See, we having 2 for loop. So first let me comment this. So now what will happen if I am going to print that value of I? So what will it will print? Let me show you. It's printing 1 2 3 4 5, because rows is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now so this 5 will be, let me undo this code, this will goes up to 5, and this will be goes from 1 to how much this will go, that much, and it will print same thing star. Here if I am going to print the k value $k, then you can see here 1 2. Okay, so how these things are happening, this will go first time, it will run one time. Okay, then it will start from one time and it will print 1, and second time it will start and this will go to start from second. So this time it will go 2 times. Let me show you. See output also. First time here row is 5, so first one time here it will start, this for loop will be starting from 1 and it will end to 5, and this will start from 1 and this will also end to 5. So how this is getting print, first time it will print 1, second time it will print 2 times, third time this row will loop it 3 times, 4 times, fifth time. So as it's getting loop 4 times, it will printing this value 4 times. 1 2 starting from 1 to 4. Okay, because I value is 1 and I value is 1 and is starting from 1, so it's printing 1. Right now I value is 2 and is starting from 1, so it will print 1 to 2. Now third time I value will be 3, so it will start from 1 to 3. Same like I value will be 5, so it will start from 1 to 5th and it will print here. If I am going to do same thing in ulta, just reverse way, then what I need to do it here I in rows. Here in Kotlin we know that down we having this, I am taking that rows down to, okay, down to 1. So it will start printing from 1 to 5 to 1. See, so first it is going to 5 times, so 5 times this printing, because I value is 5, so it's running 1 to 5. Then in next time I value will be 4 here, so it's running 1 to 4. And same at last the I value will be 1, so it will run only one time. This was the half pyramid. Now we are going to print the full pyramid. So again we are create another file. For that also we are going to take one rows is equal to 5, then column is equal to 0 here. Okay, now we are using for loop I in 1 dot rows. Okay, in that for we are going to print the space in 1 dot rows minus I, and here we are printing the space. Okay, now here we are going to take one while loop, and k not is equal to 2 multiply by I minus 1, and it will print the star, and k will be getting increased. At the bottom printing println and k is equal to 0. So this is our full star. If I'm not giving this space here, then okay, triangle. here also I am going to take rows equal to 4 and the where numbers equal to 1 and using for loop I in rows for j in 1 dot I, it will run up to I, and print not ln, printing the number, and here I am increasing that number. And what we have done in first program, same thing we are doing here. Okay, if I am going to increase this value, it will increase. Here I need to make some space. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 16 times it got printed. So how it is printing here? Let me tell you. So this one will be start from 1 and it will end to 8th because the length is 8 rows. Okay, and when it will start from 1 and how much the I value will be here, it will print the same. So first time when this row will this for loop will run, that time I value will be 1. Okay, and this will be increasing the number. So the 1 first is printed, next time I will be 2, so 2 times should print. So first time it will print 2, second time 3. Okay, and then here as it is increasing, this will coming here I value and its number is getting increased every times.